Hello everyone, welcome to our Thoughts and Education program by College Dunia. Today I have with me Dr. Namrata Kundaria from Akar College of Physiotherapy. I welcome you ma'am to our program. Ma'am has been associated with Akar College of Physiotherapy for more than 6 years as a head of Department of Orthopedic and Sports Physiotherapy. So ma'am, we shall start with our questions and moving to our first question. Ma'am, what is the latest program that you are offering in your college which will help students to outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Our best, we have a very good physiotherapy OPD. So, physiotherapy is the practical field. So, our OPD is very good, and students can get a very good exposure over the OPD, so that they learn many things. They can practice whatever they have learned in the theory part. So it is a very good exposure for the students, and we also teach them practically whatever newer techniques are there. If students are having some doubt, we also clear them. So physiotherapy OPD is the very good part of the learning. So we have a confidence in our student that if they will go anywhere, whatever patient will come to them, they will surely they will be able to treat that patient. So yes, this thing will help them to stand apart from the crowd.
Ma'am, what are the factors that make Bachelor of Physiotherapy the best for the students to opt?
In today's scenario, if you see, there are many people who are suffering from back pain, then knee pain, and the other thing is now everybody is working, means they are having a desk job. So they also have pain related to screen time. So they have a cervical pain or a back pain, then the knee pain. So now everybody is aware about all these conditions, and so there are very bright scope for the students. They have a very bright future in the field of physiotherapy. So yes, this is the very good field, and students have a very bright future in this field.
Yes, totally agree with your point, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving to our next question. What are some valuable insights from the program that you are offering at your college?
At our college, we offer Bachelor in Physiotherapy. So, Bachelor in Physiotherapy is the 4 years course, 4.5 year course actually. So, half year means the 6 month is the internship. So, the 4 years they have to study, and also they will work in our OPD setup. And then the 6 month internship they can do in any of the multi-speciality hospital or anywhere, wherever the student wants to do it. So this is the basic outline of our course, Bachelor of Physiotherapy.
So, ma'am, moving to our next question. What are the practices that students go through under this program?
Very good question actually, because this physiotherapy is the practical field. So students must know about the practical skills. Even if students is very good, and I think if it is excellent in the academics, but if he or she do not know about the practical part, it is of no use. So we teach our students to basic physiotherapy techniques, basic hands-on skills, so that it will be beneficial for the student as well as for the community. Because at the end of the day, student has to treat the patient. So student work in our OPD very good, and we teach them each and every skill thoroughly and in detail. Then student also do case presentations. So during the case presentation, they assess the patient in detail. Then we discuss it with each other. Then we make a treatment plan. So it is very good experience for the teachers, also for the students, and for the patient as well. So yes, these are the practical sessions students go through in our college.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for your detailed explanation. So, ma'am, how do you train yourself and other faculty to deliver this program to the students?
It is very important to be up to date in this profession, because every day something new is coming up. So if we will not be able to catch up with the new things, we cannot be in this competitive era. So we encourage our faculties to read the books. So this is very important. if you want to become the best physiotherapist, theoretical as well as the practical knowledge, both is very important. So first of all, we encourage our faculties to read the books and clear the basic concepts. Then we also encourage them to read the new research, and we also encourage them to do some research publication, then the book publication. So these are all the part of our faculty development program.
So, ma'am, moving to our last question, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
After doing the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, student can do a master, and then there are a very huge opportunity in India also and out of India also. In abroad also, there are very good opportunities for the physiotherapy students. And in India also, they have two different things. With like they can go to the clinical side, they can work in any of the multi-speciality hospitals, or they can set up their own clinic, or they can also do a home visit. If they do not want to set up their own clinic, they can also do a home visit and can do the private practice. Then on the other side, they can also go to academics, and in the academic they can work in any of the good college, and side by side they can also do the private practice also. So there are very good opportunity for the physiotherapist, and nowadays even community is getting awareness about the physiotherapy. So there is a very bright future in this field.
Okay, that's all from us. I thank you, ma'am, for giving me your valuable time and sharing your experience and knowledge with us. Once again, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.